Touch that you hold something that you get a handful, baby. She's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips. It's yours, baby. You can crash it.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Courtney Marie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a half wig install. I got this half wig from TikTok shop. The brand is ISEEHAIR. This is not a sponsored video. I brought this wig with my own money. Y'all influenced me once again. This wig has been everywhere. It's been going viral on TikTok. So you know your girl had to try it. But before we get into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, y'all, so the wig is on. It feels pretty secure. It had a little drawstring in the back so you can pull it to fit your head as needed. So now I'm just about to define the curls, comb it out. I brought this Shea Moisture curling gel. I brought this curl activator gel as well, and I just got a water bottle. Oh, and I also brought a diffuser. So let's get started. Hopefully I can blend my hair with this hair. We're gonna try our best, and yeah, let's get to it. So this is the Kinky curly half wig. This is a 18-inch. First things first, I'm going to curl out all of those curls. And what I love about this wig, it is super soft. No tangles, no knots, no nothing. It was super easy to comb out the curls. The comb went through like butter. Next, I am taking my spray bottle and it is filled with water and I am wetting the hair. Now I'm going to take my curl activator and my Shea Moisture and I'm going to mix those two together and I'm going to apply it to the hair. As you can see, those curls are popping out. It doesn't take much. This hairstyle is such an easy hairstyle. It's so easy to maintain. I actually wore this to the Cowboy Carter concert and it was just so easy. I could just get up and go. All I had to do was wet the hair.
Cash out on a video. Cash out to see the rodeo. But I wanna show her back in nasty. Just a Chico in the backseat. Everything bigger than Texas. Body busted open, feed you breakfast. Catch me in the bathroom on the same time. Baby, let me sink into your arms. Drink me till it's done. Eat it all. Keep you close to let you love me like a lady, yeah. Toast it over, it get creamy in the middle, yeah. My body in the box is yours. Sugar high, you want some.
So now that my curls are popping out how I want them, I am getting these edges laid. I'm taking my edge control and I'm laying down my edges. And now for the perimeter of my head, I'm taking gel and water. So I'm going to lay those hairs down. Now I'm just swooping my hair to the side, kind of making a part. And that's what's so good about this half wig. It is so versatile. You can wear a headband. You can do a half up, half down. You can swoop your hair to either side. You can do a middle part. It's so versatile. So now let's try to blend this hair in. So my hair is naturally straight. So it's going to take time for it to blend in with the wig. Unless you have curly strands, it may be easier for you. But to do this, I'm taking the gel, I'm taking water, and I'm taking strands of the wig. And I'm just basically doing a 2-strand twist to get my hair blended.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body booties, one polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to look up tonight. Posing who is left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memory.
So when you purchase from ISEE Hair, they give you a couple of things. They gave me this band, so I put it around the perimeter of my head just to help my edges lay down. But they also give you like lashes, they give you wig caps, they give you an edge brush. Like, their packaging is very much top tier. But now I am taking my hair diffuser just to speed up the drying process and also just to define my curls and to add volume. And I learned that this prevents frizz. So I just had to get it and I had to try it.
Ladies is pimps tonight, living inside a dream. Slay where the love is high. I put that on my mama.
So I left the twist in for a little bit. However, I was losing patience. I was like, let me go ahead and take these twists out to see if my hair is blending in with this wig. And the results are amazing. Okay. I didn't even leave it in for long, but my hair definitely blended in. I feel like the results would have been better if the twist would have been done like overnight. However, it blended in and I'm happy with the results. Another thing I love about this hairstyle is just so amazing to not have to worry about any heat damage or flat iron to leave out. Like, this is a 100% protective style. So now I am just cutting the wig to my liking. Like I said, this is an 18-inch, so it is below my shoulders. So I'm just cutting it. I want it in like a bob, so I want it above my shoulders. So like I said, I'm not a professional, but I'm just cutting it to my liking. And mind you, this did not take long at all. Like, maybe take 10-15 minutes max. So it is super easy, super convenient. It is so easy to just get up in the morning, not do anything to it. This is a 10 out of 10 highly recommend hairstyle for me. And here is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in this wig, link will be in my description box below. Like I said, I got this wig off the TikTok shop. And also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.